Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's full tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create bulk videos in Canva. One of the most powerful ways to scale content creation in 2026. This is perfect for YouTube Shorts, TikTok, Instagram Reels, ads, or faceless content channels. By the end of this walkthrough, you will know how to generate dozens or even hundreds of videos automatically using Canva's bulk create feature. So let's get started. Step 1. Open Canva and create a video design. Go to Canva, hit create at the top left, okay? And then what you're gonna do, you're gonna search for mobile video 9:16 for shorts or reels, or video 16:9 for full YouTube content. So let's say mobile video, right? All I'm gonna do now is just hit the mobile video size and go to the workspace. This opens the Canva video editor workspace. Step 2, right? Before bulk creation, you need template, right? Add text placeholders like title, subtitle, background, right? Image, video, or color, animations, which is optional, logo or watermark, which is optional too. Okay. Example template. Top text should be like, did you know? Main text, fact or tip. Background, stock video, or solid color. Right, keep it simple. This template will be reused for all videos. Okay, so let's say I'm adding this. Right, adding this here. Okay, and if you're using a full content and you want the background, you could just go ahead, go to, not video, sorry. Go to, element, and find black background, for example, which you can use for your videos, right? If you're creating a faceless YouTube content, okay? Also, you can find here text, which you can do, right? You can add text or edit text that are already created here, right? And you can go back and select many templates for your mobile content in that case. Okay. Keep it simple, right? Step 3. Prepare your content data. Now you need the content that will generate your videos. Create a list in Google Sheets, Excel, or directly inside Canva, right? The title should be like Save Money Fast. I'm gonna name the title Save Money Fast, right? Now I'm gonna go to home, go to the project, right? You can see right here that I created a new one. Now if I want to create a bulk video, right, all I gotta do is just hit the 3 dots and make a copy of that project, right? It will show the same exact method, right? And you can implement it and just work around it, like you can create based on that footnote, right? Each row, new video. Okay, so step 4, use Canva bulk create. Now use Canva's bulk create feature, right? You can go ahead inside the workspace, go to the left side panel and find apps and just type bulk create. Right? I showed you one way, which is the project itself. You can create multiple projects or create the same project multiple times, and you can just add a little bit of element to just make it unique, right? Or you can just go ahead and if I bulk create, right? And then click enter data manually or upload a CSV file, right? If you find it here, all right? You could just go ahead and hit bulk, and you need to upgrade to Canva Business in order to create a bulk video. All right, and you can always feel free to go back and do the first step that I just told you, the first option, right? Free, and you can, all you gotta do is just add little tweaks, right? And paste your data into the field if you upgrade it. Step 5, connect data to your design. This is where the magic happens. Right click on the text element, for example, right? And then head somewhere here, connect data, right? And link it to a column like title, subtitle, etc. Repeat for all dynamic fields. Now Canva knows what content to replace in each version. Again, you need to upgrade in order to unlock this feature. Step 6, generate bulk videos. Once everything is connected, click continue, click generate pages. Canva will automatically duplicate your template, replace text with your data, create multiple pages, each with one video. You now have bulk video scenes ready, right? You can add animations and timing, right? You can go ahead and select the screen here and hit animate, hit animate here, right? And make it unique here. You can also add animations to text. So click the text, hit animate at the top here, and make it so you can apply it to whole settings. Okay, you can adjust duration 3 to 10 seconds per clip. You can add transitions between pages if you have more than, of course, or if the short length is a little bit longer, right? You can add plus here in between. You can add a transitions between the first page and the next page, right? Keep videos short for better engagement on social platforms. You can add background videos or music to improve quality. Go to the template, the templates here at the element. Sorry, I confused between the two. So go back to the element and find videos. You can add stock videos to your shorts here, right? You can also use subtle motion backgrounds. You can also add background music. So go back if you want to add the background music. Go ahead to the audio. You can see free of copyright music, right? Which you can implement to your shorts. Make sure your audio is low volume, not distracting, royalty free. Next, export your videos. Now export your content. Click share at the top. Hit download. Choose MP4, right? And select all pages, right? If you have one page only, like one page project, then you're gonna be able to hit download right away. But if you have more than one, and maybe they're gonna ask you like how many pages you want to download, right? You can select the whole page or individually. Each page becomes a video clip. Step 10, which is optional, split videos for posting. If Canva exports all pages as one video, use a video editor to split clips or export pages individually. This gives you separate videos for each post, just in case. Right? The bulk video creation works perfectly for YouTube Shorts, TikTok content, Instagram Reels, educational content, finance tips, motivational videos, product promotions. Keep videos under 10 seconds. Use bold texts for readability. Add captions. Many users watch without sound. Use consistent branding. Test multiple hooks. Create 50 plus videos in one session. Avoid overloading text on screen. Using long videos. Low retention. Ignoring mobile formatting. Not using engaging hooks. Poor contrast between text and background. So here's the easiest way. Create one video template, prepare content list, use bulk create, and generate multiple pages, add animations, export videos. Done. Using Canva for bulk video creation in 2026 is one of the fastest ways to scale content production. Instead of making videos one by one, you can create dozens in minutes, which is perfect for growing social media pages or running automated content channels. Consistency plus volume equals growth. So consider liking this video, subscribe, and until next time, see you.